Responsibility is the snack bag. Look, I'm gonna pick some apple here. Oh gosh. Oh. Here's the apple. Here. What? Oh, there's the rail. Oh, there's umbrella here. Big umbrellas. Oh.
Umbrella? That's a big umbrella.
Yeah. Okay.
Two of those guys are going to be in the front. You guys will be in your individual 2 or 4 seat bike, and then we're going to have another one of the guys is going to be in the back bike. So we have you bookended along the way in case you need anything. You guys again have your own experience. When we set off, we're going to kind of space you out so you make sure that you do have your own experience. What we recommend is something like a bus length distance between you and the bike in front of you. That allows you to stop safely if and when you need to do so. It also allows you to have your own experience. If that distance gets a little bit further, that's fine. Just keep eyes on the bike ahead of you because we go out as a group, so we got to come back as a group. So if we stay in the same time zone, it tends to work better for everybody. What we will do is we'll head out.
It's a 9 o'clock schedule. We just, yeah.
No. We're just four. These are all singular bikes.
Oh. So we're just, one bike.
All come this way.
Let's go that way.
Okay. Okay. Oh, we're crossing the bridge.
Mom, do you see it?
Where?
We're crossing on the bus.
There. We're crossing. We're crossing.
The river's under us.
What they do? Bought this railroad track or? They own the railroad track, huh?
Yeah, I guess so. And you know what? There's so many of these. It's not just this one. They have like 6 of them on the East Coast. If we ever go to Cape May, there's one in Cape May. I'll pay for that one too.
Okay, tell us
I'm
when
not
it's our turn to
biking.
pedal. Braking.
Oh, they're braking.
Oh, they're going. Oh, okay.
Tell us when it's our turn to pedal.
Oh, I see. It's whenever there's a turn. I have a cell phone case. Yeah, you do. I should have got it. It's also in my
Here, smile.
But I didn't know how to take my phone out the last time.
Yeah. I took a shower already.
Maybe.
Early in the morning. I don't need another one.
Where's your revolution?
I released the brake.
Oh, you release the brake?
I did my foot.
Okay, here. Woo. Okay, here. You bike a little bit.
Okay.
Woo.
Oh, you guys can pedal for me. I got it, guys. I got it.
Oh my god, this is high speed, Dawn.
If you want it to go slower, don't pedal.
Okay.
Yeah.
We don't have rear view mirror.
There's a glass blowing studio right there.
What? Glass flowing?
Yeah, I love glass blowing.
Okay.
Dawn like really doing all the work. I know, I'm having a great time. This is so fun.
Here's your workout.
You do that. I'll take a video.
Take a video. Yeah, it's smooth, see?
Yeah, milk. This is Pete. I'm literally the only one pedaling.
I think you're the only one pedaling.
Gotta protect the children. How long is this trail? Good job. Thanks. It looks like you came off the trail.
Yeah, good job with this race, huh? No turning back. Oh, you can, if you can.
You can turn back?
There's a walk for you.
Oh no, you don't want to walk this far. Okay, I think they're moving.
Okay.
So let's move.
Nice and slow, people.
Okay, slow. You don't want to get tired. Oh, Dad's working, huh?
Yeah, pressure. Good for my legs.
This is our exercise so we can eat fried stuff later.
I hardly worked.
No cancellation.
No cancellation.
Make it more fun with umbrella.
We reached our destination. And there's no bathroom, so we have, that's the bathroom there. See? They everywhere. No restroom. Dawn! Denise! So did you? Rest area, where's so we found a restroom. We did. Wow. Oh. Oh, they're rafting. They're rafting over there. Oh, stop. Break. Oh.
Look, do you see them? They're all rafting.
Okay.
Hi. We're on the railroad.
I'm literally the only one pedaling.
Oh my god, working hard. It's so fast.
You don't have to learn it. Yeah, I do. I can put my way not lonely. But no, because yours doesn't look like a bathing suit. Well, we purposely love bathing suits.
Are you wet?
Yeah. That's a bathing suit.
Look! Apples! Tiny red apples.
What'd you get? Apples.